Who wants to be a millionaire? You know, a lot of us think, wow, $1 million. Everybody wonders, can they do that? Can they do that? Absolutely you can. We have 14 leaders that have already proven it. So it's in the marketing plan. So how do you get started? Well, you join the party. You've already done that because you're listening to this. Get started by gathering those loyal customers and then help 3 people join your team and help them build through those 3 simple steps. And just keep repeating that over and over again. Fall in love with this crazy rep thing. Fall in love with the compensation plan. Fall in love with the other supplements. Fall in love with everybody on your team. Just go out and have fun. Build your business. And you know, one thing I read a long time ago, and I'm an avid reader. I read everything I can get my hands on about network marketing, about how to build the mind and how to build a business and what drives people. And we're all driven by different things. But one of the big motivators is, can I make money in this industry? And this is what I have found. By all the reading that I've done, if you stay with one company, just focus on one company, you can't chase 2 different projects. You just can't. Focus on one company. We have that crazy rap thing, that one product that brings everybody on board, and learn the necessary skills to build your business, that within 10 years, that the majority of people that do that really learn the skills, stay focused, can earn $1 million in this industry. Now, we've had people that have done it in less time. So stay focused, have fun, fall in love with that crazy rap thing, and see what you can do. I hope that you've enjoyed this series of the most asked questions of 2013. I've enjoyed being with you on these 10 questions, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you in 2014. And that's a wrap.